Alright folks, Dr. Jones here, cosmetic surgeon in Cache Valley. Here to show you a little bit of what we're doing with the new technique of abdominal sculpting, so to speak, where we basically take fit men and give them almost a six-pack. Okay, and that's the really impressive part of it. The secret is this machine right here, a SlimLipo machine. Also goes by some of the trademark names of SmartLipo, which we have and do here as well, just depending on what we want to carve. Today we're carving fat, so I'm going to be using my SlimLipo device. We've got our patient here sedated, but comfortable. Comfortable, boss?
I'm comfortable.
Okay, so he's talking, he's in a happy place. We've got Vanessa, our surgical nurse. And I'm just going to demonstrate real quickly the way this laser melts the fat. You see, we're going to carve out in between the musculature. We're going to take out a lot of this, but he's got a good four-pack going for him already. We're going to make it pop, okay? So watch the end of this laser. Almost no heat. We're just going through a tiny little nick in the belly button right here. Okay, Vanessa, if you could just turn down the lights for me just a second. And you can see when we start to laser, oh, it looks like it kicked off. If you could just hit that button for me, Vanessa. It's that top right-hand corner with the triangle. Alright, now we're good to go. Alright, you can see this pointer tells us exactly where we are. Ready, folks? Here we go. Real gently, just melts right through the fat. I can hear it sizzling a little bit down in there. I guide it with my fingers. And then afterwards, when we're done, melted fat, just like Mazola corn oil, is just going to come leaking out of his belly button. Pretty darn easy. Now I stay away from my squares, because that's where the definition is. You don't want to melt what looks like muscle. Alright folks, we'll join back up in part 2 when we do a little bit more of the tumescing, and we take some of this extra fluid out. I can feel this getting softer in my hands, and this groove is going to get shaped right down through the middle of his abs. Very easy.